Hey there! Looking to keep a folder out of sight on your computer? I've got just a trick for you. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to hide and unhide folders on Windows 11. So let's dive right in. First off, fire up File Explorer on your computer. Then head over to the location of the folder you want to keep hidden. Next up, give that folder a right click and then select Properties. After that, tick the box that says Hidden, followed by clicking Apply and then OK. And just like that, your folder disappears from view. But wait, to bring it back into sight, simply click on View up there on the top bar. Then hover your mouse over Show and click on Hidden Items. Voila! Your hidden folder should pop up right back. Now, if you want to fully unhide it, just right click on the folder again, select Properties from the menu, next uncheck the box labeled Hidden and hit Apply and then OK. And just like that, your folder is back where everyone can see it. And that's all there is to it, folks. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.